Lydia, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
What's in here? What's in there?
Say thank you, everybody. Thank you, yes, thank you.
Look at that!
Look at the size of that box.
Look at this big, huge chair just for you. Wow, look at how soft it is. You like it? Wow, look at this. Just for you to sit in.
Yay!
You want to sit in it?
That's gotta be cold. Brr!
That's your chair!
Look at that hot ride.
Wow!
Do you like it? Do you like your new chair, baby? Yeah. A gobble gobble.
Like your chair? Yeah.
Look at the size of that box it came in. Not so much in What do you think? I've never seen somebody so excited about a car seat before. Huh? Do you know we're gonna strap you in it, right? Huh? We're gonna strap you in that, right?
Should we put your puppy in there? Your puppy go in there? You put him in. Buckle him in. He's gonna go for a car ride. What do you think? Should we take him out? You want to sit in there?
Wow.
I need to make it big for you. It's too little right now. I need to raise the straps up, huh? You want to get buckled?
She's like, buckle me up already. Let's go for a ride.
No, I have to switch the straps, okay?
So what the heck? Too long.
You want to sit in it?
Smile. Hey, you.
You want your puppy in here? Yeah. Look at your puppy in here.
That's my chair.
No. Puppy go in the box.
Oh, what is that?
What's he doing in there? What's the puppy doing in there? You want to go in the box too? Wow, look at you!
You got your very own box.
Check your nose.
Get you.
What do you think, huh?
We'll see you later. Have fun. Have fun in your box. Have fun in your box. Climb out.
Look what I got. Put your baby in there.
Oh. Party in your box. Yes. Hug and snuggle. You got your dolly? Boo.